Okay, guys, I'm going to be very honest. The funded next payout rules are a little bit like complex. So let's start. So scaling into losses is banned. So when you're gonna add to losing position, you immediately rule breach, like the DCA. So even the controlled scaling counts as a DCA. No buying the dip or adding size as price moves against you. This is something that is not allowed. Negative risk reward is not allowed too. So you must have at least 1 to 0.5 RR. So tight take profit strategies get flagged, and if your take profit is too small comparing to a stop loss, it's a violation. No bots, no EAs, no automated systems. Any automation that you would have with FundedNext, it's going to be banned, right? So even the semi-automated or trade copy features. The 2% CMA price limit rule: if the futures market is within 2% of the CMA daily limit, you can't trade it, and you must monitor this manually. So also the micro scalping is banned. So in and out trades under 15 seconds, profit within just few ticks. So the scalping also is dangerous. Then placing many orders you don't intend to fill. So if you consider manipulation, it's an instant breach. Then you can have also account rolling, so buying multiple challenges and sacrificing some, passing multiple phases too fast, reckless trading early in evaluation, so that can restrict you too. So then account flipping, like you're gonna get founded, you're gonna go all in, you're gonna cash it out, also dangerous thing. Huge lot size jumps after funding, and they can block even payouts. So if you're gonna have like group trading, trading liquidity, hedging correlation, latency arbitrage, wash trading, grid strategies. So it's not bad, but the rules are strict. And if you're gonna make like mistakes, you're not going to have any payout. Now, if you want to get also like the bonus, you can have link down below in description for FundedNext. So let me down below in the comments. And if this video helped you, and if you want to actually like use it and try it out for yourself, you can have a link down below in the description. And have a great day and goodbye.